As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished and Bitcoin do exactly like how as we told you from that candle here, we told you we are going back to that low here, and that's what happened exactly today. Now, what is it the view? Guys, the view now, the Bitcoin is going to go back to test here that 100 moving average, which is exactly now at 114k. Remember my word, guys, that's what's going to happen because that market doesn't got volume to push it more lower. So even if we're going to see a huge dump, that huge dump, it will not be that much. Yes, it might fall down more to 104k because we got some stop losses left at 104k. But overall, majority of the stops are here, and that market those days, it chasing the liquidity, so it's going back above. By the way guys, before I continue it, we want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible, and you like our content, make sure to smash that like button and write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. And if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. You see the one here, that button here, become a member. You need to click at it like that. It's going to open for you 3 tiers here. We got the first one, the position. The one is it for long term, no leverage, no nothing. It's just for long term if you want to buy spot. We got the VIP member over here. You're going to get all our cryptocurrency services. And the last one, you're going to get everything else we offer. Is it the elite here? By the way, the elite, there is a discount. I think today or tomorrow is the last day, guys. As you see it here, the last day is the 3 of November, so act quickly before it's too late, my friend. So if you are interested, as I told you, the link is it down. And how you can join us, you click at the join here, finish payment process inside Patreon. There is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me here in the free Telegram, in the free Discord. All the links are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the Bitcoin here today, it's breaking for us here. That 200 moving average, as you see it here. That one here is a bad sign, but it do it exactly here and it's got the same candle, guys, as you see it here. Now, what we need for us to know that Bitcoin going back touch here, that 100 moving average here, we need a green candle, guys, like that to happen. Look with me here. You see that green candle here. You see that green candle here. We need a candle to break above that 200 moving average for us to know the market still powerful and for us to see that huge dumping like how we used to see in the past cycles. We need a big fish to bankrupt, guys, for us to see that big dumping like how it used to be. But based on technical analysis here, what we got a lot of things, guys. Let me show it to you. Remember here, let me take it off those moving averages like that for us to see the clear picture here. You remember what me I showed you before here. We came and we do it from that low here to the one here. We make that channel like that and we make it like that, guys. You remember it? That the channel, guys, we bounce from the middle of it here, like how it happened here. Same thing. When it happened here, what happened? We fall down to test the lower here. Now the same thing it happened here. So maybe the Bitcoin going to fall down to test the lower of that channel, which is exactly at 102k. That possible, guys. Second scenario, the Bitcoin tried to give us here a head and shoulder in daily, guys. But we got another head and shoulder, which is here exactly, guys. If you see it here, even that one, you need to look at it. If it's going to play, we're going to see that Bitcoin dumping more hard than that. So everything is possible. All scenarios is possible now. The only thing now is we need to see if that Bitcoin going to fall down again to 102k. That possible, guys. I will not say it's not possible because there is no power to push it more higher. So let's see the coming days what they are going to bring for us. Based here on technical analysis, if I show you here to see here the MACD, if you see it here, the MACD here is crossing down in daily. That meant that just all the dump here is just the start, guys. That meant more dump. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. That's the only things I can tell you. If we're going to fall down to that 102k or no. Everything is possible because if you look in here, only bears the steering power, guys. The bulls doesn't got power to push it higher and everything still looking bearish here. Even here, that bearish divergence here. So let's see the coming days. I think I explained everything to you here. Now let's go into see the trades me are entering them for today, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Those ones the trades me are entering them. Yes, the team of me, they gave some day trading, but those was the trades me I gave. Those was the being here a swing trading because me I been traveling, so I haven't give a lot of signals. I will be honest with you, as you see it here. The first one we gave a short, a swing trading here in the AVAX. That one is hitting the first take profit, guys, as you see it. Second trade we gave, what is it? As you see it here, that one here is the ADA or Cardano. Even that one is hitting the first take profit. The third trade we gave, what is it? Is it that one here? In the Ethereum, guys, a swing trading. Even that one here is hitting the first take profit. The third trade, what is it? Is it that one here? In the SUI, guys, even that one is hitting the first take profit. We don't want to give more than that. Yes, we can give them more than 10 coins, but also we're stopping only in 4 because we know the people they following also if we give them more than that, they are going to enter in all of them. So also we try to use some strict money management with them. Even you, my friend, you can benefit from all those things if you are interested, of course. The link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video. Even you can join us and benefiting from all our highly accurate analysis. If you are interested to be with the family, the link of our Patreon you're going to find it down in the description of that video. Now let's go into see liquidity heatmap, crypto fair and greed index. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, in the crypto fair and greed index. As you see it, is it very high fair 34? That's my high fair. People there with me, they know me always are buying from those levels. And yes, also we giving some long-term signals. That's our job, guys. Also we are in front of the chart every time. Even you can buy. That one is the bottom. Maybe it's going to dump a little bit. Then we're going to see what's going to happen. Now we're going to see liquidity heatmap what it's telling us today. Here we are, guys, in the liquidity heatmap here in 24 hours. We got some stop losses here, but majority of the stops are above here as you see it here. So the view here, the market is going back to liquidate all those was above here because down here there is no liquidity, guys. But for you to see the clear direction and the clear picture, you go from 24 hours to weekly. Let me show you. Here in the weekly, guys, is a very clear direction. You remember when we used to be here, we used to tell you we're going back to 104K. It reached to it. Now that we got any stop losses down, no, my friend. The majority of the stops are above here till 117K. That is going to reach to 117K. Me personally, I'm aiming just for 114K. Let's see if it's going to happen. I'm going to be the most happiest person in this planet, guys. Let's see the coming days what they are going to tell us because us we're milking that market very well. Even you can join us and start harvesting with us if you are interested, of course. Now let's going to see USDT dominance what it's saying today. Here we are, guys, in the USDT dominance. You remember the downtrend here is getting broke here. It's pushing that market tail above here. Now that one here, we need to delta it like that because we don't need it anymore. So you remember here that the last high here and it touched it here. Me, my view personally is going to fall down maybe to test here that uptrend. My view personally, guys, the USDT dominance is going to fall down again to test here that uptrend here. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen. There is a second scenario, guys. It might that USDT dominance to give us here a big head and shoulder here and to fall down and to break here. Even that one is possible. And if that's happening, we're going to see our crypto market is pumping, guys, but it's still very early. Now, let's go into see the SP500 we're doing today. Here we are, guys, in the SP500, same thing. We still have here that uptrend like that. We came back, we tested here, but we are in an all-time high, guys. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. If it's going to give us here a price action or no, for us to write it down. That's the only things I can say here. Now, let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin here in 12 hours. The Bitcoin it touched for us here that level or that zone as we show you before. You remember it? We told you 107K. Now what is it? The view me personally thinking is going to go back to that zone here 112K. Then from there we're going to see what's going to happen. But based on the MACD here, what it's telling us, MACD here it just crossed below today. That means it just entered to a bearish zone. That also we follow that one? No, guys, me I don't follow the MACD a lot. Me I follow the chart. The chart or the levels you need to look close at them for today. We got that level here at 107, 234. We got that zone here 112, 286, and we got that one down here 102, 603. So those ones the three levels you need to look close at them. And if you want to buy for long term, you put pending orders in them. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. Here we are, guys. The Bitcoin here in 4 hours. As you see it, I'm looking at my other monitor. It just hitting for all the first take profit in our long as day trading. We entered from low here. Now here, what is it? Same thing, guys. We got here the downtrend here. That one is still a little bit far away. We need to wait in here a price action for us to catch in that long. And if it's going to reverse, it's going to happen. We can make even here a very sharp downtrend here. And that one is going to be the 30-minute downtrend. We're going to show it to you when we're reaching there. But here in daily we don't got, but here in 4 hours we don't got nothing, guys. So as we still waiting, there is something like that the only one which is here, guys, is it like that. And that one, it's look like bearish sign because it's a pennant, guys. But also we touching the lower of it here. We touched the low here, so I will not get surprised if I saw the Bitcoin doing the same and came back to touch the top here. So everything is possible, guys. It might we are going to come back to touch here 116k. That number one scenario. Second scenario, we got here the downtrend here, and that one it just coming to touch it here at 112k till 114k. So let's see the coming days or coming hours what they are going to tell us. The Bitcoin here, is it in a sideways zone, guys? As you see it, very clear distribution zone, because those things no one will tell it to you, guys. As you see it, look how many times it's being touched here and touched here. So let's see which direction is going to break above that one more long. If it's breaking down here, we're going to see some other lows. So I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see, the MACD is still going down. There is nothing changed here. But the most important one is that one here. That one here, it touched for us today. Extreme oversold area. It hasn't closed there, but it touched it, guys. Did we need to enter along? We need to wait in a little bit. Maybe it's going to fall down again to touch it. For long term, me have buy from that low here. That's what I do every time, guys, because that's my job. Even you can join us. The only things I buy without leverage, guys. With leverage, it's not yet. We need extra confirmation. Me, I'm talking here about swing trading, day trading. Yes, also we buy. Now, let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. Here we are, guys. In the Ethereum, same thing. We got here a distribution zone here, as you see it here. You see it here. We touch the lower here, like how it happened before. Same thing, guys. Every time that market doing the same thing, so it's going to do the same thing like that, and it's going to come back to test the top here. That's what it's doing, guys. The only thing that the fourth time that that zone is getting weak. So let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. For short, what we got for short now, we can come and do that one here with that one here. It's getting broke here. That's more short. For long, at this time we need to wait an extra confirmation. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Based on our indicator, guys, same thing. Look at it, the market is still dumping here, so there is nothing new. The most important thing is that indicator of us, and that one here, same thing like the Bitcoin, it touched today extreme oversold area. So let's see what's going to happen, like how it happened here exactly, guys. Let's see if it's going to pump again or no. Now let's going to see the Sol or Solana doing today. Here we are, guys. In the Sol, same thing, same pattern, everything is the same. Look at it. We are in a distribution zone, guys, and we touch here that zone. My view person is going to come back to touch the top here, but everything is possible, guys. It might that Sol to do like that and to fall down and to break it. Even that one is possible. So we are ready for everything based on our indicator. What it's saying today, look at it here, guys. MACD here, it's still dumping here. There is nothing changed, but the most important thing is it our indicator. That one here in 4 hours, it hasn't touched for us extreme oversold area. So let's see the coming hours. If you want even you to be with us, we told you what to do. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down, or you can text me in the free Discord or free Telegram and ask me more questions, and I'm ready to reply it for you. Now let's go into see the XRP of Ripple. Here we are, guys. In the XRP of Ripple, it gave us here an entry, a swing trading. Also, we haven't entered in it. I will be honest with you guys. Why? Because the people they are with me, I gave them 4 trades, so I can't give them more than that. Now here, what's happening here? You remember me, I used to tell you guys we got here an uptrend like that. Well, from here, I enter a short, but me, my system, it give me from here. Me, I haven't entered in it. What shall we do? Same thing, guys. Look at it. Very stronger zone here. It touch it again. So that's my view part. Personally, the XRP now is in a very stronger distribution zone. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. That's the only things I can tell you. The bad news here for XRP is it here, that one here. You see it, guys, that one you can make it like that, like a bearish flag, and it's getting broke, guys, like that. So you need to be careful from that XRP. What's going to be the next move? What's going to happen here? Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see, the market is still dumping here. There is nothing changed. The most important one going to give us, we are in the bottom. Is it that one here? It hasn't touched for us extreme oversold area. So let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. Now it's going to see Bitcoin do it today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. By the way, you watching me now. I know you started that video from the start till here, but you haven't smashed that like button. Why, my friend? Go now, please, smash that like button. Support us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much. Here in Bitcoin, guys, in 30 minutes, we still have here the down channel like that. Look at it, guys. You see it here, the down channel. It touched the low here. So maybe the Bitcoin is going back to touch here, the top of the one here. Also, already it's hitting for us the first take profit for our long. So the people there with me, they are already now moving stop loss to entry point. Why us we enter? We enter from that one here, that downtrend here. As you see it, guys, it's getting broke here. That's why also we enter, because Bitcoin is using an approach with it, very aggressive approach. Let's see what's going to happen. For short here, there is nothing, guys. The only thing we can look at is that downtrend here. When we touch it here, if it's going to happen something, if it's not, we will see. And you, if you're missing the entry, wait the downtrend here to be broke like that, then try to catch in along, same like how us what we did. And if you want even you to benefiting from those interests, we told you what to do. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. That of course, if you are interested, my friend. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Based on our indicator, guys, look at it here. We have here a bullish divergence like that. You see it here. That's why us we been waiting here. That break here. That's why us we enter along as you see it in front of you. But bad news still now us we staying here all in a bear market. That man we still below that zone here. You see it, guys. We touch it the first time, then we dump. We touch it here, we dump, and now we touch it here. Should we enter a short? Also we got our system how we can catch in that short. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. That's the only things I can tell you, guys. So that's it for that video, and please, guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.